Hello, so in this video I'm going to be talking about how to activate your Cash App card. So the first thing is that you have to download Cash App on your Android or your iPhone. That's the first thing to do. So you have to download the app first, and then you will have to order your card. And with doing that process, ordering your card is free, so you don't have to worry about paying anything for your cash card. And the wait was about a week. To me, I felt like it was longer than a week, but maybe I wasn't counting the days right. But yeah, so let's get started. So first things first, it came in this type of envelope. Well, it came in another envelope, but I teared it open up, and then this is what it came to be about. So as you see, this is the cash card, and see right here at the top it says cash card as well. And then here's my card, and then what is this called, the QR code. So yeah, so and then like I said before in another video, you can like create your own name on the card. So and then my name, and then the cool smiley face with the sunglasses. So so okay, so with the QR code, and if I can remember correctly, I think you can still activate it even though you don't have the card like physically in front of you. Let me see. So I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so this is the Cash App right here. So I will go home and see my card is already there, and that's when I selected the amount of money that I have on my Cash App, and I pressed down, and it pretty much gave me this card. So, and I'm thinking like even though you don't have it physically, you can still activate it, because when I did not have this physical card in front of me, just on this specific app, it still said activate cash card. So I'm guessing, I can still activate it anyway. So with the QR code, it's like for extra security purposes. So I'm not gonna actually activate it because I like money going directly to my bank account. I don't know why, I just do, but I can go through the process. So this is the card and this is the QR code. So I'll have this on here as well. So you open the Cash App and you tap cash card. So go here, and then I'll tap the cash card. All right, cool. So when I tapped the cash card, it gave me these options of activate cash card, add to Apple Pay, copy number, problem with the card. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna tap activate cash card, and then, or you can press activate box under the image. But mine says activate cash card. I'm thinking because I never activated before. So then after that second process, Cash App is gonna ask for permission. It's gonna ask to use your camera to scan the QR code, which is right here. And then you're going to tap OK. And then, all right, so how do you find that whole QR code? Because like I said before, I'm kind of scared of processing it because this is actually needing to go on my bank account instead of on that card. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your balance, and you'll see your balance like up at the top and the picture of your card after when you press the balance. So when you press up the picture, and you'll find a pop-up that says QR code. So remind you, even though I'm not going through the whole process, this is after when you activate the card. So you'll be able to go through this. So the top of the balance will be up here, and it'll ask you about the permission of the camera and so forth. So after when you press on the picture, which is the card, because it'll show you a picture of the card on the actual Cash App, then that's when it's going to ask you for permission to use a camera so you can scan the QR code. And then it'll show the QR scanner on the Cash App, and you'll want to use the QR code from the envelope, which is right here on the scanner, and it'll automatically activate your Cash App card. So that's without the QR code. Now if you don't have a QR code and you actually threw that sucker away, after opening the Cash App, you can tap on cash card. So like this, and then you tap activate, which is right there. You see that, activate, and then it says look for help. Tap right on the right, which like again, like I said, this is like after you activate and stuff like that. So alright, so let me read this again because I think I just confused the video. Okay, so after opening the Cash App, you tap on cash card, which I'm at right now. Then tap activate, which right here. And then look for help, tap right on the screen's bottom. So after that, when you type that in, oh, okay. And this is what the QR code. So this is, oh my goodness. All right, so then I'll do the QR code. No! Okay, go back. Okay. And then after that, you will look for help, tap right on the screen's bottom. So on the right hand side, you'll see help, and then you'll tap on it. And then from the list of choices, use CVV Instead. By following simple steps, you'll be asked to enter the CVV code together with your card's date of expiration. and that's without the QR code. So if this video was clear, like I said before, I would have activated, but that money has to go in my bank account. So, and it's pretty simple, self-explanatory too. Like it's really simple. It's like a simple process. Like sometimes you got to play around with it, but everything is pretty much tap to center, and then follow throughout the instructions on it. So yeah, that's about activating the Cash App card.